we're here, Nick's Powersports, Can-Ams, they have Outlanders, they have Skidoos. Can-Ams are the best in the market. Anything you want to do, any off-road in the snow, in the dirt, anything. On the roads, because now you can pretty much drive them anywhere in Wisconsin. Nick's is the place to go. They go by fast. Every year they come out with new ones, and they are lit. Look at that color, look how shiny that is. Isn't that nice? That's brand new one. Just came out of those stores right there. Nick's Powersports. I've worked with Nick, they've gotten close to us. I've gotten my Can-Am through them. My parents get their Can-Ams through them. Skidoos for snowmobiling. Nick's awesome. They do such a good job. They help you with anything you need. Anything that goes wrong, flat tire, something goes wrong, axle, anything, they fix it here. They're perfect, they're awesome. Life-Rids are amazing. So, what day is it? What is it? We're on episode 14 or 15, one of the two. It's October 6th, Tuesday. Guys, I already filmed. That's the crazy thing. Trent's in school, so we had to wait for him so I could film this part because he's got to hold the camera. And I'm going to ask him a question at some point, and he's going to say yeah or no. He's going to keep it simple. I already got the film done. We got down at the Dickeyville bottoms. Beautiful, the leaves are turning, the highway, all the trees, the corn, it looks gorgeous. We got the Grotto. We got a lot of the businesses, Sunset Lanes, best bowling in the area. One Up, Kuepers, go in there, get a bloody. I've had a couple pretzels and cheese from there before. Lit, especially at like midnight. Anyway, get back on track. Keeler Store, they have HGIC, they have the what is it, elementary? The little kids, yeah, the little ones come here. They have obviously the church. There's a bunch more. Gary's Pest Control. They have Haubers right up the road. A lot of places in this small little Hodunk town that make this super unique for everyone when you come through here. I'll show you, we worked really hard. Thanks for everyone who's been subscribing to us on YouTube. Thanks for all the likes and follows on Facebook and on Instagram. The suggestions, the improving and trying to help me with my videos. Someone told me how to fix my gimbal on calibrate it on the drone. I didn't know what a gimbal was. So all the help you guys can help me. I'm just learning. Well, this is our 14th episode, right Trent? Yeah. So we're just rocking. And I had made Trent just turn the camera back on because I forgot something. Guys, Dickeyville. All our hometown t-shirts are out. I'm gonna name a couple, I'm gonna forget some. Lancaster, Keeler, Benton, Cincinnati, Shullsburg, Madison, Mount Horeb, Baraboo, Wisconsin Dells, Cuba City, Hazel Green, and a bunch more. Check them out, they're cool, different colors, all unique to each one's towns. Represent your hometown, represent towns that mean home to you, and check it on our website, they're all $15, shipped tomorrow. Go check it out, and we love all the support we've gotten already off of it, and hope you guys all have a great day and a great week.